Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au. You may well know me from my MailChimp videos, but today is something slightly different. I've created a marketing ideas generator. Effectively, what happens is you put in a few keywords about your organization, business, or whatever you want to promote. You add it to the generator. The generator will then personalize the results for you and give you ideas on how to promote your product, your business, and so on. Now, it is powered by artificial intelligence, so every single time you search for ideas, they'll be regenerated. So let me just show you. So at marketiga.com, for example, I'll just put in my email address here. And let's say my business is about family holidays in Los Angeles. I want ideas about family holidays in Los Angeles, and I want to get promotion ideas. So what I can do is I'll just click Get Marketing Ideas. I'll wait a few seconds while the artificial intelligence in the background looks through billions of data points and comes up with marketing ideas for you. And there we go, various marketing ideas come up. So in this case, it's come up with, why not create a map of Los Angeles highlighting tourist destinations and things to do with family focus? And then we can carry on. Number 3 is a list of kid-friendly restaurants. These are things you can do, you can create, or content you can create to promote your organization or business. You can always run it again. And as I said, because it's artificial intelligence, it will regenerate or recalculate the results every single time. So totally free, totally customized to the keywords that you enter into the generator. Please use it at marketiga.com. But thanks for joining me. I'm Gary.